All right, now that we've verified the wiring and put the covers back on, we're ready to power on the pumps and go through the setup menu. This is the initial power up of the pumps. It's going to go to a welcome screen, and this will begin our Genie setup. To enter the Genie, you're going to push the OK button here in the middle. We are then going to select our language. For this setup, we're going to do a multi-pump, and we're going to set it up for synchronous cascade. We can then launch the auto addressing, which will communicate with the other pumps in the multi-pump array and automatically configure the lag pumps. Here it says it's found 2 pumps that are connected. We're going to push OK and continue. It's now going to load a few parameters, and then we get to go into the pressure settings for the pump and configure that for our system. Now I'm going to push the continue button. In this case, we're doing a closed-loop HVAC system, and we're going to be running differential pressure control. In this case, we're going to use circulation as the control mode, which is going to work on differential pressure versus a set point pressure on the pressurization mode from a single sensor. I'm going to set this system for proportional pressure. We're then going to confirm that we're going to use imperial units of measurement, PSI, GPM. We're going to keep those and confirm. The sensors that ship with the hydrovar X pumps are 0 to 300 PSI. Confirm that set point. In this case, it's correct. I'm going to push OK and move through this. My differential pressure set point was determined by the balancer here to be 11 PSI. So I'm going to set that into my system and confirm that set point. The linear lift amount we're going to leave at 0%. That means I want 11 PSI of differential pressure at the pump's maximum speed. And I'm going to set the date and time here. This is already correct, so I will move through this screen. At this point, the pumps are ready to operate. The last step in our process here is just to simply turn the pumps on the controller. I'm going to turn pump 1 on. It's going to start running and meeting this set point. I'm then going to turn on pump number 2 up here. That one currently is in standby. It's not needed to meet the pressure demand in the system. And that concludes our commissioning of 2 hydrovar X pumps.